If you're over 65, your body is fighting a different battle than it did at 30. Your cells divide slower, your immune system needs backup, and the smallest daily choices start mattering a lot more. The good news? You don't need expensive medicine to stay strong. You need to understand 5 systems your body already has and learn how to feed them properly. Number 1, protect your blood vessels. Don't let them feed the wrong things. As we age, our body's natural ability to control blood vessel growth weakens. This matters because abnormal blood vessel growth is exactly what allows tumors and other problems to develop and grow. The fix isn't complicated. Foods like green tea, soy, tomatoes, and berries contain natural compounds that help keep this process in balance. A simple daily habit, 1 cup of green tea and a handful of berries, can go a long way in supporting this defense system, especially after 65 when your body's natural regulation slows down. Number 2, keep your immune system sharp, not just active. After 65, the immune system doesn't just need to be active, it needs to be smart. Many older adults experience more inflammation, but weaker actual defense against illness, the worst combination. Blueberries are a standout here. Their anthocyanin pigments have been shown to boost T cells and natural killer cells, your body's frontline defenders, while simultaneously calming inflammation. A cup and a half a day isn't a chore, it's basically insurance. Broccoli and its sprouts work alongside this. The sulforaphane compound in broccoli, especially concentrated in the stems, and even more so in broccoli sprouts, has been linked to significantly stronger immune responses, including better reactions to vaccines, which becomes especially relevant as flu and other seasonal illnesses become higher risk after 65. Number 3, protect and repair. Your DNA damage accumulates with age. That's simply biology, but certain foods actively help repair that damage. Kiwi is a standout example. Its high vitamin C content has antioxidant effects strong enough to measurably reduce DNA damage, and eating a few a day has been linked to actively repairing already damaged DNA. For something this easy, peel, slice, eat. It's one of the simplest upgrades a 65-plus daily routine can make. Number 4, don't neglect your gut. Your gut microbiome shifts as you age, often losing some of the beneficial bacteria diversity you had when you were younger. Fiber-rich foods, like kiwi again, along with broccoli and other vegetables, act as fuel for the good bacteria in your gut. A healthier microbiome has ripple effects on digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune strength, all of which become more important after 65. Number 5, stop thinking in terms of restriction. Here's the mindset shift that matters most. After 65, strict, joyless diets are harder to sustain and honestly less necessary than people think. Instead of obsessing over what to cut out, focus on what to add in. Out of the wide range of health supporting foods out there, almost everyone can find several they genuinely enjoy. Start with those. Build the habit around foods you already like and let your body's natural defense systems, blood vessel regulation, immunity, DNA repair, gut health do the heavy lifting. And when you have an off day, a dessert, a skipped walk, a fast food meal, that's fine. A body with strong daily habits has a buffer. The goal after 65 isn't perfection, it's consistency in feeding the systems that keep you strong, sharp, and resilient for the years ahead.